What's going on, y'all? My name is Josh with Federal Brace. Today we'll be installing the floating shelf clamp system. Let's get started. Step 1. Measure the installation area. Even in small places, leveling and centering is important. It will go a long way to ensure you have a beautiful installation. Step 2. Drill a pilot hole and fasten the clamp to your wall. In the event you cannot utilize a stud on each clamp, we recommend using sheetrock anchors for additional support. Step 3. Ensure you are level and proceed with drilling and fastening. Step 4. Assemble the floating shelf clamp system. Step 5. Insert your shelf plank and tighten the clamp. It's important to tighten the clamp fully to ensure you are reaching the full maximum carrying capacity. So there you go, the floating shelf clamp system is installed. It looks beautiful. It fits in many different small areas, such as your bathroom, maybe even a pantry, your nightstand. Get creative with it. For more product information and made in the United States innovation, go ahead and visit us at federalbrace.com. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.